Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. How are you doing this day? I hope you are doing fantastic. Okay, in this video, I will talk a little bit about tools in the laboratory or workshop. First, I will describe the definition of tools. Tools are things used to make tasks easier. Okay, now I will tell you tools that is commonly used in the laboratory or workshop. The first one is pliers. The primary purpose of the tool known as pliers is to grip objects firmly. The objects can then be turned, bent, or otherwise manipulated. Pliers have parallel handles, a pivot where the handles join, and parallel jaw that grabs the objects. Special use pliers may have additional components and purposes, such as cutting pliers. The shape of the pliers is V-shaped and usually include three parts: the handle, the jaw, and the mouth of the pliers. The size of a plier is about 5 to 8 inches. The color of a plier's head is silver, as the pliers are generally made of carbon structural steel, and for the handle there is multiple color you can choose from, like green, yellow, red, etc. The price of a plier is around 20,000 to 80,000 rupiah. You can also buy the one-set option of pliers. Pliers are made in various shapes and size. These are some type of pliers: linesman pliers, long nose pliers, diagonal pliers, locking grip pliers, snap ring pliers, plug crimper 3-in-1, and slip joint pliers. The second tool is hammer. A hammer is a simple tool designed to manually drive nail, brads, and other fastener into softer material, such as wood or drywall. The shape of a hammer is almost look like a letter T. A hammer has a head and a handle. The opposite end of the head may have a forked nail puller called a claw hammer or a pin, small face for dripping pins or tracks. There are three sizes of a hammer: small, medium, big, while the weight of a hammer is usually around 4 and up to 48 ounces. The color of the hammer is usually silver because it is made of iron, but there is also some other type of hammer that has a different color, like rubber hammer, the color black, and for the handle it is usually the color of brown because it is usually made out of wood. And for the price of a hammer is around 20,000 to 200,000 rupiah. For the price, it is based on the brand and size of the hammer you are getting. The third tool is handsaw. Handsaw are used to cut pieces of wood into different shapes. These handsaw are the ideal for small tasks and wood cutting. The size of a handsaw is about 14 to 18 inches long. The color from the blade of a handsaw is silver, as it was made from iron, while the color for the handle are a lot, but commonly it is black or brown. The shape of a handsaw actually almost looks like a parallelogram. For the price of a handsaw is around 50,000 to 200,000 rupiah. For the price itself, it is based on the brand and type of handsaw you are getting. These are some type of handsaw: rip saw, chopping saw, back saw, compass saw, bit saw, knife or keyhole saw, etc. The fourth tool is metal hand stamp. The function of a metal hand stamp is to give a marking on a piece of metal to make the metal have an identity, like making the vehicle plate. Metal hand stamp available in 4 types of size: 1/16, 1/8, 3/16, or 3/32 inch. The shaped metal hand stamp is almost look like a letter I. The color of metal hand stamp is silver, as it is made out of steel or metal. The price of one set metal hand stamp is quite expensive. It is around 600,000 rupiah to 4,500,000 rupiah based on how good the products really are. These are some type of metal hand stamp: number metal hand stamp, letter metal hand stamp, and custom metal hand stamp. Okay everyone, I think that is all from me, Ahmad Imam Muharam from class 2 EB on this video. Thanks for coming and thank you for watching. Goodbye.